Hi everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to replace the exterior door handle cable without removing the window. You'll also see how to remove the door panel. First, we remove the cap under the door handle. There's a screw underneath it. Next, we take off the rubber cover located right here. Underneath, there are 2 screws. Let's unscrew them. At the very bottom of the door, there are 3 more screws. We unscrew those as well. We remove the inner door handle cover. Remember, the window must be closed. Secure it with tape so it doesn't drop down later. We remove the side panel and disconnect the plug. Under the panel, there are 2 more screws. Let's remove them. That's all the screws. Now we take off the door panel. Gently pull it towards you, starting from the left side. We disconnect 2 connectors. One is at the bottom for the door courtesy light, and the other is located higher up. We set the door panel aside and unscrew all the silver screws around the silver metal shield. We unplug all the connectors from the motor, the module, and the speaker, and then we unscrew those components. We pull away the silver metal panel. As you can see, the end of the cable is damaged. It's snapped. We unscrew the screw on the side edge of the door. It holds the handle in place. The next screw is located inside the hole. The hardest part is the 3rd screw, which is located under the window. You'll need an Allen wrench with a socket attached to it. We unscrew the 3 screws from the door latch mechanism. Done, the handle should come out easily. We install the new cable simply, just like in the video. We put everything back together and the handle works perfectly. If you have any questions, leave a comment and make sure to subscribe to the channel.